Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be creating a gluten-free and a egg-free pasta. And this is a pasta recipe I've made many times. And the first step is to combine the dry ingredients with dry ingredients and the wet ingredients with the wet ingredients. And I know that this is still in powder form, but I will add the 4 tablespoons of water when I'm mixing it into the other liquids. All right, once you have combined the dry ingredients, add them to a bowl and make a well in the center. And with the wet ingredients, make sure they are combined well, and then you can add the egg mixture into the flour mixture, and then you will stir it to combine it into the dough. All right, once you have combined it, you can move it onto a floured surface like this. We used a parchment sheet, and once you're done mixing it and it looks like this, and it's a Play-Doh-like texture, cover it up and leave it to sit for 10 minutes. The next step is to roll it out, and first you have to divide it into fourths, and then roll it out and make it into squares, and then let it sit for the 20 minutes. And this is important because it helps you cut the pasta into the fettuccine easier. However, since we have access to it, we're going to be using a pasta machine and create pasta that way. So this is how you would if you do not have access to a pasta machine. Once you are done cutting up the pasta or using a pasta machine, then this is the cook time for all of the pasta. All right, this is right after I have finished, and you can see it turned out good. I would advise adding some sort of seasoning if you want to do a sauce, if you want to do a red sauce, Alfredo, or you can go simplistic, just add butter and salt. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will add a photo of the recipe to the end of the video, and then you can rewatch and follow along if you need to.